Craving quick, nutritious, and delicious blended drinks every day? Daily Blends Recipes is your go-to source for invigorating smoothies, juices, and more, keeping your health goals exciting and achievable. This app offers a curated collection of blended recipes, often categorized by health benefits or ingredients, with clear instructions and nutritional facts. It's fantastic for busy individuals, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to easily incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet. Users praise its diverse recipe selection, user-friendly interface, and quick preparation times. However, common bad experiences include manual shopping list creation, no auto-populate from recipes. Some users also report occasional ads in free versions or a desire for more advanced features like progress tracking or personalized meal plans based on dietary needs. What's your thought?